Okay, so this is a review for the portable rechargeable fan. It's by Orteen. So it has here that you can either put it on a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle. So you can either use it like this or like this. And you flip it upside down. There is a hook to hang it. So you can hang it. This first button here is the sleep mode, the rotate button, and yes, it rotates. I did not know that, and that's really cool. The fan, the timer, and the light. So let's put the fan on. That is on mode 1. You can see the green light. It's very quiet. 2, still pretty quiet. 3. 3 makes a little bit of noise. 4 definitely sounds like a fan. Definitely puts out a nice breeze for a little fan. Put the rotate button. Yeah, it works really nicely. It does pause for a good couple seconds whenever it reaches one side or the other. That side didn't pause too much. Okay, so maybe it's just when it starts up. Let me check the light out. Okay, so the light's really bright. Let me shut my light out. Okay, so that's mode 1 for the light. 2 is a little less bright. 3 is a little less bright from that. And then off. The light's fairly bright. I mean, yeah, it's pretty bright. This little fan has definitely got some super power for the functions that it holds. I love that you can program it for either 1 hour, 3 hour. No, I'm sorry. It's 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. You can see down here. And then over on the left side, it tells you the battery indicator, which is awesome because a lot of things like this does not have any kind of indicator for where the battery percentage is currently. So you have no idea if it's charged or not charged, or if it's, you know, gonna need charged, or what's going on with it. So that's super cool that it has that feature. Overall, it is, I mean, like I said, it's a really nice, high-powered fan. The quality is pretty good. It's very sturdy for what it is. I love that it rotates. I love that, I mean, I love all the options that it has. Yeah, I mean, you really can't go wrong with this fan. If I turn it to the side here, it also has a little pocket for the remote. Look at that. It just slides right in there for storage. Yeah, this is definitely a nice fan. I love it.
Okay guys, so this is how both of my fans are set up in my semi-truck. Let me back up so y'all can both see them. Excuse my bed, I just got out of bed, and excuse that those are my arts and crafts, but this is how my fans are set up. So this fan is the main charger. So I have a 10-foot charger that runs all the way around, come all the way down, and it charges right there. Okay, and then I also have a charger port back there too. And then I have like a, I think, 6-inch charger that runs from this fan to this fan, so they could both charge simultaneously at the same time. So I have them both on now, so you could hear the how much like noise it produced. So I'm gonna be quiet so you can hear. I think it's a decent noise. It's not irritable to where you can't get no sleep or anything else. So I'm gonna go closer to one of them, this one right here, so y'all can hear it also. And this is on the highest speed, by the way, which is why I always keep it on. I gotta clean it. So that's what it sounds like. I keep one fan for me, other fan is for my pet that rides along with me. And for my dowels that I was talking about, what I do is I keep this like right in this area, or probably a little bit below, it just depends. Or I either keep it on high depending on how hot it is, or I definitely don't go no further than this really. And then this dial I always keep between like here on up to about right here. It's very rare that I keep this dial like right there or on high like how I used to do. So I keep it in the middle, or I keep it like here also, because when it's on, it's going to circulate right here, and I got another vent up here, so it's going to circulate that air. But also, if you in a semi truck, you have vents up here. Reminds me of cleaning. You have vent up here that goes all the way down, that blows out air. So my fans capture that air that's coming out this vent and circulates it to me and keeps the truck nice and cool, meaning that I have less idle time, because these fans work amazing with keeping my truck cool. So I think that's a good buy, especially if you're looking for something for your semi truck. Try it out. Yeah, just try it out, see how you like it. You can always return it if it's not working out for you. This remote doesn't work with this fan, but where's my other remote at? Okay, I have another remote. I just gotta find it. But it's the exact same remote, because both of them comes with remotes. But this remote don't work at all. Like, I done changed the battery on it. It don't work. So that's really not a big thing for me, because I have another one from this fan. I like the fact that you have a storage area for the fan. I like the fact that you can hook them. Now, this hook on this fan came off, like it popped off. It got damaged, but I just super glued it back. But yeah, it's a good buy. Try it out and see. Hope this helped. Bye.
Te mostrar o ventilador do Davi. Ligou. Aí é o nível de luz dele. Aí fica mais forte e mais forte ainda. Aí aperta mais uma vez e ele vai desligando. 4 velocidades, ó. Ventilador. Ainda tem as horas. Aí ele tem rotação automática, que coisa que eu nem lembrava. Pra 90 graus. E tem de 45 graus. Esse eu coloquei o grau 90, né? Aí tem o grau 45, que é menorzinho, né? Cara, achei top demais. Aí, atrás ele tem 2 entradas. Embaixo ele ainda tem um gancho pra você pendurar onde você quiser. Ele tanto fica aqui quanto aqui. Esse aqui é top, cara, é top.
Quick review on this fan. I do not recommend purchasing based off of one major design flaw. So as you can see, this light is on, and once you turn it on, there's not a dedicated button to turn it off. So this light button right here adjusts the brightness. It does not turn the light off. This sleep mode right here, night mode, it turns off the indicator lights. It does not turn off this major light. Yeah, the fan is not on, so but that light will not turn off. I've also tried using the remote here. So there's no dedicated button to turning that light off, which is a pain. Yeah, so I would not recommend buying this fan. Definitely go with another brand.
definitely works. That's the highest setting. It's not overly crazy, but it's enough to actually get that air flowing. It's pretty cool air coming through here, and it's pretty warm in my house. It's got different settings. You can turn the light on. So I'm assuming that's a sleep button, timer. I haven't checked everything out on it, but it's pretty simple.
Ahora, tú vas para casa de un canal de teléfono. ¿Cuánta gente tiene? Dos.